landlord liability, generally speaking, when it comes to mold. Hi guys.
This has pretty much been explained.
Jonathon Daily.
Big factor here, notice. Does the landlord have notice? A lot of times people will call in and they'll say, oh, there's mold. I want to sue my landlord for $1 million. That's not how it works. First, you need to give them notice. Make sure you do it the correct way. Give us a call. Just let the attorneys handle it, because a lot of times people will think notice was given because they put in a property maintenance request and sent into some AI software. That's not what we need. We need something certified mail sent in their face, served via process server. Hey, there's a mold issue. It's serious. Look at this report, fix the issue. If it's not fixed and then you have damages to your personal property, that's more likely with mold. However, there can be personal injury damages as well. We'll have to go see a pulmonologist, but those kind of damages won't even show up until a long term down the road. What we suggest really is to get out of there, because what a judge is going to say anyways is say, hey, if it was so nasty there and so unlivable, why did you stay? There was a large mold liability case in the United States. It was against the Army, I believe. But the reason why that was such a big case in the millions of dollars of liability is because there were actual personal damages that were provable, doctors' reports, diagnosis, etc. And they were in the Army, so they had to live there. They had to live in the barracks. They didn't have anywhere else to go. They couldn't just say, I'm terminating my lease and leave. So that's why a lot of times these landlord liability cases, when in terms of mold, may not be as strong as you think, because you do have the option to leave. We can make the argument it's not so easy, because it's true. It's not so easy just to get up and leave. People don't have enough money saved up to just terminate their lease and leave. We'll make that argument. But again, that's why that Army case was such a big deal, because they were forced to live in the barracks. So hopefully that makes sense. Let's move on.
For the latest in case updates, legal tips, news, and politics, make sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and our other socials, and above all, subscribe on YouTube to get your dose of excellence on a daily basis.